Back home now, Roland Randy Phillips had a successful trip back to Jamaica after winning the men's singles title at the J&B Bank Open Tennis Championship on Saturday night at the Ligani Club. Phillips, who is based overseas, had needed only 2 sets to get the better of the top-rated junior. Phillips first claimed the first set 6-3 over Chin before closing out the contest 6-2 for the top prize.
It's out to me, it's nice. It's always great to play in Jamaica. I love playing here, and to be able to come back and have my family watching and my girlfriend watching and everybody, and just to be able to win and kind of prove that I am the #1 player, or at least like to win the tournament. It feels good. So there's that, and so it means a lot to me. It's very important, I think, to keep winning.
And there was a big upset in the Women's Open Championship as Pauline Hilton got the better of top seed Michaela Stevens in 3 sets. Hilton took the opening set 7-5, but lost the second 1-6. She, however, rebounded to take the deciding set 6-2.
At first, it was a hard task going up against the #1 seed. Played her last year in the semi-finals, beat her, but swept away October. Went to the finals with her. She beat me, and now I'm glad I won this one.
Now, the men's Class 2 event was won by Ricardo Chambers. Remember him? As he got the better of Rudolph Jackson in straight sets. Chambers, who improved by each round, took the first set 6-2 before wrapping up the second set 6-4. The Class 3 event was also decided in straight sets by Ricardo Livingston, who had a 6-4, 6-2 win over Stuart Allen.